Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I just set up one of these incredible lights from CHARKEE and I'm about to do the other one. These lights add so much brightness to our dark dead end street. They come with 4 different lights that are completely adjustable. You can see that it has nice thick glass on the outside, so the waterproof feature works really well and really keeps out all of the rain that could ruin these lights. The solar panel that is here is nice and big so that it really captures the light during the day, and you have really nice bright white light at night. On the back of the light is a button that enables you to select which brightness that you would like, because maybe you don't live as in a dark area as I do, so you may not need that extra setting. However, the brightest one is super bright and perfect for where we live. I really appreciated that these are so easy to set up. It includes the hardware that you need, and it's a simple plastic piece that you place right on wherever you're going to put the light, and then you just slide that light right in there. Nothing else to do, and you have perfect lighting that makes you feel safer. It comes on automatically at night and really allows you to be able to have nice bright white light even on the darkest of nights. If you're looking for something that is a really easy add-on without having to hardwire, you definitely need to check out these awesome lights. But that's just my point of view.